In this cake tutorial, you'll see one way to deliver a wedding cake, how to texturize the buttercream for a rustic look, deliver the cake in pieces, and place the fresh flowers to create a natural look. Hi, it's Lorelie. Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherish memories, subscribe and ring the bell. This is a 20-quart mixer which makes it possible to mix an entire wedding cake in one batch. This recipe can be found multiplied for you in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelie Step by Step. The filling for this cake is a lemon buttercream and lemon curd. My wedding cakes are 3 layers with 2 layers of filling. The buttercream that I use is my Italian meringue buttercream, and it can be used for everything from filling, crumb coating, finishing, and also for buttercream flowers. This particular cake is 3 tiers, sizes 14, 10, and 6. Here's a tip for you. Use a stool to raise yourself above the cake. It's easier on your shoulders. If you do this for a living, you can end up with shoulder, arm, and hand overuse injuries. Take breaks and stretch your hands and arms often, and find ways to make your job easier. Tip number 789 is one way to make frosting less stressful. This is one of the easiest ways to create the rustic look that brides love so much these days. Simply hold a spatula or even a spoon against the sides of the cake while turning the turntable. sharpener to sharpen the center dowel. You can use a pan to mark the size of the next tier. Dowel the cakes ahead of time before you deliver them. This cake is going to be delivered in pieces. Now when it comes time to deliver the cake, we recommend saying a prayer to the cake gods and/or doing a happy dance. I recommend a large flat knife to place the cakes onto each other. However, I forgot it, so the scissors worked just fine. Waxed paper is in between each tier. You can also use a sprinkle of coconut or graham cracker crumbs. The dowel has been pushed into the cake. I didn't get that on video. And a mound of buttercream was piped over the top so that I could put the flowers onto that. The florist left us a bucket of beautiful flowers to work with. I like to cut the flowers and place them on the table and then begin placing them on the cake. The stems are not pushed into the cake. The buttercream mound is the barrier, and that will be removed when they serve the cake. Make sure to celebrate all of your successful cake deliveries. We like to do it at our favorite restaurants, in this case a Mexican restaurant that we love, and do a cheers to the bride and groom. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Leave me comments and questions below, and I will see you in the next video.